Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, we are going over what fits inside my Balenciaga medium crush bag. And this bag, I love it so much. I have been using this every single day, and this bag is just genius in all honesty. Not only is it so soft and comfortable because of the denim, but on the inside, it is made with lambskin leather, and it is just so soft and comfortable. You totally just want to crawl inside and just sleep in it. So without any further ado, let's see what the bag fits. Now I have the beautiful close-up of the Balenciaga denim crush bag in the size medium, and this is so perfect. Now honestly, this chain is one of my favorite features of the bag because I honestly love the fact that you can go ahead, have it like this, or you can go ahead and pull it and have it both over the shoulder. I love that feature so much. And for this one, you just go ahead and pop it on open, see the inside, and it is just so beautiful. First thing first, I will say that I do have a concealed weapon, and I do keep it in this pouch in the videos, but in all honesty, in reality, it would never really be in the pouch. But it is always the very first thing in the bag, but I'm not going to show it here on screen. But I am a very firm of believer of defending yourself and always having protection on you. So I will say that I do have that. However, inside the bag, this is exactly how I have it stuffed currently. And this is the real bag, like I didn't take anything out of it. So this is going to be a true what fits inside my bag, and it's really not that impressive. But let's go ahead and see what I have. So in the bag, you can see that they do have a zip compartment here. Now this is a very tight zipper, but I did go ahead and I did squeeze a very small notebook in it. I do have my cute Hello Kitty notebook, and it is empty right now, but it does have such cute paper on it. But I'm actually gonna exchange this like in my handbag for a like small one that's about like this big. I'll have it up on screen, but I'm gonna start carrying those little like sticky notes in here just because it will have more room overall, and I could use this for something else then. So if they do have the zip pocket right here, so that's what fits in that. Back here, I keep my oil pads. We know that I love my oil pads. And then we also have my travel cologne. Firm believer of having a travel cologne. This is my favorite Versace scent. So the fact that I have this and I get sprayed everywhere, everyone constantly says that I smell so good. And I'm always like, thanks. It's a mix between Chanel and Versace. So I love being able to say that. Besides that, this is a nice empty pocket back here. So, very, very cute and very, very spacious, I will say. I do have a pen back in there. But for the main compartment, it does fit a lot. So far, all I have in here are snacks. So I have like a lot of like Kit Kats and my favorite gummies in the world that are not sponsored, but if I ever had a sponsorship, this would totally be it. So, feel free to message me. I have a ring top, a pack of tissues that are like meant for travel, perfect size. This is my favorite lotion to take with me everywhere, and it's perfect for your handbag. So I do like Gold Bond a lot because I don't have to like rinse my hands afterwards to get like that residue off. This one's alright. It's good for the arms, but it doesn't last long. So until this is out, I just have it in here. But in here, I do have my YSL wallet, of course. Perfect size for the wallet, but I am a little disappointed that it doesn't fit in the actual zipper compartment right here. Because if it did fit in the zipper, that would be great. But as you can see, you just have like enough room for it sideways. If you go ahead and do it the long way, you can squeeze it in, but I don't want to mess up like the sides of my wallet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it in this giant opening compartment right there next to my piece of gum, and so super cute. But then in here we do have this little pocket, which I think is perfect for your car keys. So I love using that for my car keys. And in this first one, we have this right here, which inside I just keep my comb. So, just a nice everyday comb to have. Of course, it's pink because I love pink. But inside, it is really good. Now, you can't fit a water bottle in here, yes. You can fit sunglasses in here, yes. So this fits everything I need. So I actually really, really do like it. I do wish it was a notch bigger, but again, it fits everything I need and it's great for every day. Back, I do wish it did have a pocket to put my cell phone because that would be the most perfect spot for your phone. I do have the white Hourglass bag and I'll show you that pretty soon, and I'll kind of compare the two, just like a very small comparison. But this bag, I love it so much. I do recommend it. I do have an entire video where I unbox it and I talk about the quality of the bag and how structured these corners are. So if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. It's linked right up top and in the description below. This bag, 1000%, I love it. Of course, by now you may know that I do have my beautiful Balenciaga white hourglass bag. This is also in the size medium, and they look like the same size, but the denim one is a little bit tricky because it is just like an inch bigger than this one. However, this hourglass bag, I love. This does have a pocket on the back of it, so I love that you can go ahead and just shove your phone in there. I love a good back pocket. And this bag, once again, I love it so much. I do think Balenciaga is severely underrated. When you go ahead, open it, it has a crossbody strap. Go ahead, tuck that back there. And then inside, you can fit so much stuff. I do have some Balenciaga caution tape in there right now because that will be used for a future video. But it is so good on the inside. It has a pocket here, which has a like weird slant, so really only like this side opens to it. So, keep that in mind when it comes to some of these bags. But, inside, very, very good. And then right here, it does have the two pockets on the front as well. And I love, love, love those pockets. They are so good. Now, I do have a close-up on this bag where I unbox it, but I also do have a video of what fits inside the white hourglass bag. So once again, that will be attached right above and in the description below. So actually check out my entire Balenciaga playlist. That will be linked down below as well. And these bags, I totally love them and 1000% recommend them. Overall, the inside of the bag is very, very spacious. I love it. The main compartment is about the same size as my YSL wallet, so that is a great reference frame. Again, we have one pocket back here, the zip pocket. Then we have this cute, very cute small one over here, perfect for lipstick or keys, and then the main one up here. So again, this bag, I love it so much. Go ahead, has a magnet closure, and this is 1000% perfect. Now time to put everything back in. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in first because I put my wallet right on top of the corner there, so everything lays flat. Go ahead, put my cologne back in there, my cute little notebook in here. Gum and ring pops, get thrown in there. More tissues and Kit Kats, oil pads. Fantastic. Then my weapon, and we are all good to go. And voila. Overall, I love this bag so much. This is 1000% worth it. It's honestly one of my favorite bags. They make so many different variations of these, and I honestly want like 100 of them. I could collect so many. It would be so unreal. However, I definitely do want it in the large size because it does come in crocodile, and that bag would fit everything you would ever need in it. That one will fit the notebook, the water bottle, and the laptop all at once, so literally it would be absolutely amazing. But there's so many bags from Balenciaga that I would totally love. From the Crush bags and the Hourglass bags, they are totally my favorite. But again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below if you have any Balenciaga bags or if there's any you would like, and have a great day. Au revoir.